Coding and Programming Crash Course, Mobile App Development. Introduction. Mobile app development has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. With the rise of smartphones and tablets, mobile apps have become an integral part of our daily lives, offering convenience, entertainment, and powerful functionality at our fingertips. In this crash course, we will dive into the exciting world of mobile app development, exploring various methods and techniques that developers use to create engaging and user-friendly mobile applications. Stories and examples. 1. The story of Instagram. Instagram, one of the most popular social media platforms, began as a simple mobile app for sharing photos. Its success story demonstrates the power of mobile app development in transforming an idea into a global phenomenon. Instagram's user-friendly interface, seamless image filters, and social networking features contributed to its rapid growth and widespread adoption. 2. The rise of mobile games. Mobile games have witnessed a tremendous surge in popularity over the years. Games like Candy Crush Saga and Pokémon GO have captivated millions of users worldwide, demonstrating the immersive experiences that mobile app developers can create. These games leverage techniques like touch-based controls, accelerometer input, and augmented reality to provide engaging and addictive gameplay. 3. The impact of health and fitness apps. Mobile app development has also played a crucial role in the health and fitness industry. Apps like MyFitnessPal and Nike Training Club empower users to track their workouts, monitor their nutrition, and stay motivated on their fitness journey. These apps showcase the potential of mobile technology to improve personal well-being and encourage healthy habits. Top 12 Mobile App Development Methods/Techniques. 1. Native App Development. Native app development involves building applications specifically for a particular platform, such as iOS or Android. Developers use platform-specific languages like Swift or Objective-C for iOS and Java or Kotlin for Android to create apps that offer optimized performance and native user experiences. 2. Hybrid App Development. Hybrid app development combines elements of both web and native app development. Developers use frameworks like React Native or Flutter to build apps that can run on multiple platforms with a single code base. Hybrid apps provide a balance between cross-platform compatibility and native-like performance. 3. Cross-platform app development. Cross-platform app development allows developers to build apps that can run on multiple platforms using a single code base. Frameworks like Xamarin or PhoneGap enable developers to write code in languages such as C# or HTML/CSS/JavaScript and deploy it on different platforms. This approach saves development time and resources. 4. Responsive design. Responsive design ensures that the user interface of a mobile app adapts to different screen sizes and orientations. By using fluid grids, flexible layouts, and media queries, developers can create apps that provide a consistent and optimal user experience across various devices. 5. User-centered design, UCD. User-centered design focuses on understanding the needs and preferences of the target users and designing the app accordingly. This method involves conducting user research, creating user personas, and iterative testing to ensure that the app meets the user's expectations and provides a seamless user experience. 6. Backend as a Service, BaaS. BaaS platforms like Firebase or AWS Amplify provide ready-made backend services that developers can integrate into their mobile apps. These services include features like user authentication, real-time database, cloud storage, and push notifications, enabling developers to focus more on the app's front-end development. 7. Application Programming Interfaces, APIs. APIs allow mobile apps to interact with external services and access functionalities beyond their core capabilities. APIs enable integration with services like social media platforms, payment gateways, mapping services, and more, enhancing the app's functionality and user experience. 8. Mobile analytics. Mobile analytics tools, such as Google Analytics or Flurry, provide insights into user behavior, app usage patterns, and performance metrics. Developers can leverage these analytics to make data-driven decisions, optimize app performance, and improve user engagement. 9. Push notifications. Push notifications are messages sent to users' devices to provide timely information or engage them with relevant updates. Mobile app developers utilize push notification services like Firebase Cloud Messaging or Apple Push Notification Service to keep users informed and re-engage them with personalized content. 10. In-app purchases and monetization. Monetization strategies like in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertisements enable developers to generate revenue from their mobile apps. Implementing features like in-app purchase APIs or integrating ad networks allows developers to monetize their apps while providing value to users. 11. App Store Optimization, ASO. App Store optimization involves optimizing various aspects of a mobile app's listing on app stores to increase visibility and attract more downloads. Developers focus on factors like app title, description, keywords, screenshots, and ratings to improve app discoverability and conversion rates. 12. Continuous integration and deployment, C/CD. C/CD practices streamline the app development and deployment process. By automating build, testing, and deployment workflows, developers can ensure faster and more efficient delivery of updates and bug fixes, maintaining app quality and user satisfaction. Summarization. In this crash course on mobile app development, we explored various methods and techniques used by developers to create innovative and user-friendly mobile applications. We delved into native app development, hybrid app development, responsive design, user-centered design, back-end services, APIs, mobile analytics, push notifications, monetization strategies, app store optimization, and C/CD practices. Mobile app development continues to evolve, offering endless possibilities for creating engaging and powerful applications across various industries. Whether it's social media, gaming, fitness, productivity, or e-commerce, mobile apps have transformed the way we live, work, and connect with others. Poem. In the realm of mobile technology, we roam, creating apps that bring life to the phone. With native or hybrid, we choose our way, crafting experiences that users will sway. Responsive design, it's a crucial feat, adapting the interface for every screen we meet. User-centered design guides our way, understanding their needs, we build day by day. Backend as a service, a boon for sure. With ready-made solutions, we endure. APIs connect, expanding our reach. Integrating services, learning from each. Analytics unveil the secrets unknown. User behavior and metrics shown. Push notifications, a gentle nudge. Engaging users, their interest won't budge. Monetization strategies bring revenue. In-app purchases and ads that ensue. App Store optimization, a path to tread. Improving visibility, ensuring we spread. Continuous integration, deployment with grace. Efficient workflows, a swift-paced race. In the world of mobile app creation, we strive for excellence, an endless dedication. Song. Verse 1. In a world of screens, where mobile apps reside, developers dream, creating worlds inside. From native to hybrid, we choose our path, crafting apps that bring joy and make users laugh. Chorus. Mobile app development, a journey we embrace. Creating experiences, with each line of code we trace. User-centered design and responsive flows. Push notifications, where engagement grows. Verse 2. With APIs, we connect to the digital realm. Integrating services, building a mobile helm. Analytics guide us, with insights so deep. Improving user experiences, the memories we keep. Chorus. Mobile app development, a journey we embrace. Creating experiences, with each line of code we trace. User-centered design and responsive flows. Push notifications, where engagement grows. Bridge. In the app stores, our creations shine. App Store optimization, our listings prime. Monetization strategies, revenue unfolds. In-app purchases and ads, the story unfolds. Chorus. Mobile app development, a journey we embrace. Creating experiences, with each line of code we trace. User-centered design and responsive flows. Push notifications, where engagement grows. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.